In the mood for chocolate? Well, today Howard shows us how to make homemade candy with his recipe for mini almond dream bars in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Whenever we do a recipe for a homemade candy bar or fudge, we see a huge increase in visitors to our website. And to tell you the truth, I can understand why. Who doesn't love homemade confections? So let me show you an easy one that we just came up with. We start by melting some chocolate in a microwave. That can be baking bars or melting discs. While that sits for a sec, we place a jar of marshmallow cream in a bowl and microwave it until it's melted. Then we add a splash of vanilla and our melted chocolate. After it's mixed well, we spoon it into a loaf pan that we line with foil and pop it in the freezer for a bit. Once it sets up, we cut it into bars and top each with a couple of almonds and finish them by dunking them in even more melted chocolate. And if you're thinking, am I dreaming? This sounds too good to be true. Well, you're not. So if you love chocolate, I mean really love chocolate, I suggest that you go online and get the easy step-by-step recipe for our mini almond dream bars. Yes, they're totally worth the calories. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sinfully rich and chocolatey way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
In a bite-sized way. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our 4-state market prices.